So, I have to do this again because the audio came out really shitty from my phone. We have a really flimsy tall part. I need to make the hole on the top bigger. And it's kind of difficult to hold. If we hold it like that directly, it's going to vibrate like crazy. So what we can do is to add these shims on the back. I'm gonna try it. I'm not sure how much is going to be better, but hopefully it's going to help a little bit. And as you can see, when you make this aluminium sandwich, it's a little bit better. It's just 3D printed material. Is for something super silly, stupid, basic, and soft. So probably should work properly. I'm not so sure. If you don't have machined clamps, you can maybe use those holes to go through with the bolt or something. Maybe with the toe clamps, you can put one on each side and hold them together with some screws, some bolts, and nuts. You can improvise something probably. This is not a start machine, it's not a start device, it's not a sturdy setup, so I don't know, let's hope for the best, I guess. Of course, this is not a serious setup. If you really want this to be precise, you should use a big angle plate and hold it to the angle plate or something like that. Anyhow, here's the hole. You can see it's not perfect. It's all wicked. It's not because I did it on purpose. It's because the part flexed while working, and it's because it's fucking shitty. But anyhow, the hole's bigger. Bye.